how much should you actually spend on flat pedal shoes for MTB? You see people raving about budget options, but then others swear by the expensive ones. It can feel a bit confusing.
Product number 1, Sendugo MTB shoes. We have the Sendugo MTB shoes, priced at $74.99. What caught my attention was the Speed Lace style system, which promises stability on your rides. If you want superior grip and walkability, this is worth a serious look. The rubber compound here is designed to give you that grip and durability you need, especially on those tricky terrains. The tread pattern maximizes contact with the pedals, and the deltoid lugs enhance abrasion resistance. This means when you're pushing hard on the pedals, you're less likely to slip, which is crucial for your safety. Honestly, I was surprised by how breathable these shoes are. With ventilated mesh windows and a perforated tongue, they keep your feet cool and dry, even on long rides. Plus, the ergonomic design really shines. You can adjust the fit quickly with the lace-up system, so you can focus on the trail instead of your shoes. Now, some folks have mentioned that the shoes can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, if you're doing serious MTB riding, a little stiffness can actually benefit your pedal power and efficiency. They'll break in nicely, I promise. This is perfect for you if you value grip and comfort during your rides. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible shoe for casual biking. For the price, these shoes offer solid value for the features you get. Now, if the Speed Lace system feels a bit too specific for you, the next pick takes a different approach.
Product number 2, Tommaso MTB shoes. We have the Tommaso men's mountain bike shoes, priced at $59.99. I was drawn in by their classic suede leather look, combined with comfort features. If you're after style and functionality, this is one to check out. These shoes boast a tough ripstop nylon and genuine leather construction, making them both durable and stylish. The STK grip rubber compound soles ensure you stay glued to your pedals, essential for those tricky descents. The fit is snug and secure, giving you the confidence to ride hard without worrying about slipping off. What's great about these shoes is their versatility. You can transition from biking to grabbing a bite with friends without missing a beat, which is a huge plus for casual riders. Plus, they come with extra padding and support for all-day comfort. Now, some customers did mention that they run a bit small. If you're in between sizes, definitely consider sizing up. But honestly, once you find your fit, they feel amazing on your feet. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shoe that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you need a shoe specifically designed for hardcore MTB riding. At this price point, they really deliver a lot of value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize a cushioned ride. Product number 3, Crank Brothers Stamp Lace. Let's check out the Crank Brothers Stamp Lace flat shoes, which come in at $129.99. The standout feature here is the EVA midsole, designed for shock absorption. If you're looking for comfort on rough trails, these are worth considering. The Crank Brothers MC2 rubber compound provides excellent grip, allowing for a secure connection to your pedals. This is vital when you're navigating rocky terrain. You'll also appreciate the cushioned midsole, which absorbs impacts so your feet don't take a beating during long rides. I really liked the breathability and the fit adjustments available through their lace system. The hidden eyelets not only add durability, but also give a clean look. Plus, they've designed it to work seamlessly with Crank Brothers pedals, ensuring you get the best performance. However, some users found the price a bit steep for MTB shoes. Here's why I think it's worth it though. If you frequently ride challenging trails, the comfort and performance features justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you ride aggressively and need maximum comfort. Skip this one if you're just starting out and looking for something more budget-friendly. The quality is reflected in the price, making them a solid investment. Now, if you want something that emphasizes a lighter design, the next product will definitely interest you.
Product number 4, Giro Men's Latch. The Giro Men's Latch shoes priced at $89.85. What grabbed my attention here is their unique design aimed at controlling fast descents. If you're a thrill seeker on the trails, keep listening. These shoes feature a water-resistant microfiber design, which is a huge plus when the weather turns unpredictable. The full-length molded tack rubber outsole ensures you get excellent grip and durability, critical for powerful pedaling. I really appreciated the comfort level provided by the 3D footbed and the mute foam midsole. They make those bumpy rides much more enjoyable. Plus, the laces allow for a customizable fit, which can be a game changer for longer rides. On the downside, a few users mentioned that the shoes can feel a bit bulky. Honestly though, if you're focused on performance and stability, this may not be a deal breaker. Just know that they're designed for those who prioritize control over lightweight feel. This is perfect for you if you enjoy aggressive riding and need something durable. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter shoe for casual rides. For the price, you get a well-designed shoe that supports serious mountain biking. Now, if you're looking for something that balances comfort and flexibility, let's wrap things up with our final product.
Product number 5, Giro Men's Latch. We have the Giro Men's Latch shoes with a price tag of $89.85. The standout here is their combination of comfort and durability for fast-paced trails. If you crave control and flexibility, these shoes are definitely worth your time. The water-resistant, breathable design is a major plus, especially for unpredictable trail conditions. Plus, the rubber-reinforced toe cap provides added durability, essential for those rocky paths. The full-length lugged outsole gives you the grip you need for confident pedaling. Many users rave about the fit adjustments with the lace system, allowing for a secure knot that stays put during intense rides. And let's not overlook the medium arch support that keeps your feet comfortable, even on long journeys. However, some customers express concerns about the shoe's weight. Here's my take. While they may feel a bit heavier than other options, the added support and durability might be worth it for serious riders. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable shoe for aggressive trails. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for casual rides. Overall, they provide good bang for your buck. In conclusion, if you're in the market for flat pedal shoes, consider the Sandugo for grip, the Tommaso for style, the Crank Brothers for shock absorption, and the Giro for control. To wrap it up, each of these shoes offers something unique. The Sandugo excels in grip, while the Tommaso combines style with performance. The Crank Brothers focuses on comfort, and the Giro nails it with control for aggressive riding. Depending on your riding style and preferences, there's a perfect pair waiting for you.